If you want users to send documents, images, or files through your form, Tally's file upload feature makes it super easy. In this guide, I'll show you how to add file upload fields in Tally forms step by step. First, log in to your Tally account and open the form where you want to add a file upload field. Next, click on Add Block inside the form editor to insert a new field. Now choose the File Upload option from the list of available field types. You can now configure your upload settings, like allowed file types, maximum file size, and number of files users can upload. If file submission is necessary, turn on the required option so users cannot submit the form without uploading a file. Give your file upload field a clear label like Upload Resume or Attach Document so users know what to upload. Before publishing, preview your form to make sure the upload button works properly on both desktop and mobile. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Your file upload field is now active and ready to collect files. After submissions, you can view or download uploaded files directly from your Tally Responses dashboard. And that's how to add file upload fields in Tally forms. So it's a simple way to collect documents and attachments from your users. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.